Okay, welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be walking around a 1966 Chevelle. This is a project car in primer, and you can see everything that it needs right here. So we're going to be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws. This one's got a 454 under the hood. It's got power steering. Seems to be a really good running and driving motor. And just did the test drive and it checked out awesome. The rest of the body needs to be replaced. You see, we need paint, we need trim, we got some holes in the trunk. We're gonna need a trunk pan, at least over here in the corner in the middle there. We'll be checking the floors, we'll be checking the interior. The body looks pretty solid all the way around though, but I'm gonna get up close and personal and let you check it out for yourself. Check us out at maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures. I have financing. I have shipping options available. We also do wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Go on straight to the end if you want to see the test drive, the last 30 seconds of this video. And every day we post classic cars, so hit that subscribe button. Let's do this. Coming around the front, you can see the bumper here is older. I bet some steel wool probably cleaned it up pretty good, but as cheap as it is to buy new bumpers, that's probably one of the most inexpensive things on one of these cars. The grille around the front end, it's got some imperfections. You can see some overspray and some oxidation all over the trim and the grille. Now looking down the side of the car here, the good thing is they didn't cover a lot of stuff up, so we're going to start on the lower portions and look for anything. Bubbles, a little thick on the paint there, probably where they're getting ready to paint it. Checking the bottoms of the doors, you got some little chips and stuff. Just kind of run over everything here. A little bit of a dent there. Running down the lower portion here. Coming down the midsection now. Definitely not any major dents. Door handle's in pretty good shape. Here's not too bad. The trim around the vent window's not bad at all. Weather stripping needs to be replaced. All the little seals. You need weather stripping on the windows and everything. Also need a seal around the front window. Front window looks pretty good. It's not cracked or chipped from what I see. Okay. Back window trim actually looks pretty good. We've got some extra stuff in the car here in the trunk. Needs a trunk seal. That's hard as a rock, but it's solid. The jam looks good. We got a bunch of extra parts. It's like a dash. Oh, there we go. We need to put those in the car now. Looks a bit solid on this side, but if you're gonna do it, might as well replace the whole thing. Taking the package tray. That actually looks pretty good. Checking up around the trunk. Let's see how she shuts down here. Back bumper definitely needs to be replaced. Tail lights, all that good stuff. Dual exhaust out the back. Go ahead and stick my magnet tag back on it. This same thing come down this side, and try to be brutally honest, like I always do. Look at that Malibu. Keep it on, keep it on. A little bit of a dent right here. Could easily be covered up with some trim. Get a little bit of rust popping through right there. There's a dent right here in this trim. Coming down the mid section. There's a scar right there. Big old chunk missing out of the panel right here. Roof looks pretty good. Not seeing any major dents. And like I said, the motor runs awesome. It runs and drives down the road great. The steering's tight. Brakes feel good, suspension's nice. So be sure to check out the test drive video. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out, show you what all it needs. Looks like somebody put a decent bench seat in here. If it was mine, I'd put the buckets. Needs a back seat, a headliner, package tray, visors. Go ahead and place your bet. Do you think that horn works? We'll be getting to that here in just a moment. Needs a door panel. Needs weather stripping. Picking up under the door. Pretty solid. Not too bad. You can see the floors in here. That's not bad at all. A little bit of moisture in here we're gonna have to wipe out when we get back. Let's see. Oh, got some holes over here in the passenger side. We're gonna need to have that replaced. Whoever buys it, at least. All right, sorry about that. I had to throw a new battery in. Camera died here, so I think we were coming across the dash here. This dash pad, it's got some cracks in it. It needs to be replaced completely. It's gone. Of course, we don't have a radio. I don't believe the blower motor works. Gonna have to put a blower motor in it, but we do got some gauges up under the dash. We'll be checking them out. Let's see. Gas gauge was floating around like it was working, and the speedometer was working. It's showing 10,000 miles. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. Starts up nice and easy. Got our engine temperature up, oil pressure's around 20. Once you rev it up, it'll jump on up there. Jack's working. We got a generator light on, but it's an alternator and it's working. Charging up the battery. Y'all ready? We're gonna try this horn out. No horn on this one. Good deal. Motor's nice and quiet. Checking over the hood. Let's go ahead and lay this one down. We're missing some trim on the end here. Of course, on the nose. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots now. We're gonna look under this car all the way around. Check out the detailed photos at maplemotors.com. Let's check it out. I'm also going to do a drive over video lighting up the undercarriage on my test drive, so check that out the last 30 seconds of this one. Hit that subscribe button. maplemotors.com has 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I want to thank y'all for watching, and hope to see y'all soon. Later, guys.